really great. Definitely got to meet a lot of different people working in different areas of the industry, and that's really opened my mind to how different teams get together and work together.
If you've worked in a particular company, you've got a particular way of doing things, so it's been fascinating to see how people from different companies take the same instruction and do it in a different way.
I guess the number one thing that I've learned is there is no wrong answer. It's all about working with your creativity to bring an idea to life that might not have been on everyone's minds before you started, and that with innovation you can create something that's absolutely new that can transform an existing organisation or company.
The facilitators has been great. I've learned a lot about the process, and it's helped me put a lot of different tools together into a process that uses time effectively, I think. That's what I enjoyed about it.